It's been 1 month since we created these soil factories using Bokashi ferment and old tired potting soil from a container in my yard. I'm going to take these pots of old tired potting soil and add them to the wheelbarrow so we can mix them up. Technically, it's been 1 month and 4 days. Today, we're going to open up the soil factories and see if all of the Bokashi ferment, all of our kitchen scraps, have broken down, and check on the quality of the soil. All right, I'm seeing here's some eggshell that has not completely broken down. More eggshells. Oh, here's something great I'm seeing. This is black soldier fly larvae, and these are fantastic decomposers. They really help compost material into usable organic matter for your garden. Just looking around, I feel like I probably should have opened up these bins and added a little bit of water throughout the month. Mostly all I'm seeing really are eggshells. Oh, this was a lemongrass tea ring. All right, everything's looking great. And this soil looks so much better than it did when I was adding it to this soil factory. So now I can put it in a container and plant something new. All right, let's open up the second one. Oh, look at this. So there are holes in the bottom of this bin, and worms have come up through the bottom holes to help with the decomposition process. That's awesome. This bin is looking like it had more moisture in it. Oh, I'm finding a lot more worms. This is so awesome. All right, so the lemongrass tea rings and the eggshells are not really breaking down.